Welcome to week 14. Okay, this is unit 5. We're covering chapter 7 and 8 in your Michelle Green textbook. Again, we're going to be going through the different numbering systems, filing, alphabetic, numeric. We'll arrange numbers in these different systems, and that's kind of what your assignment's going to be on this week. So with that, we also are going to have a discussion. And with that discussion, I am asking students, what have you taken so far from this course? Because we are, getting into the downhill slide of the course. How are you going to utilize some of this information, in your future healthcare profession? So with that, you're going to review PowerPoint number 11, and we're going to look at assignment number 24. And our course unit learning objectives and program learning outcomes and common learning outcomes all stay the same. So let's look at our assignment. Now this is going to be out of your lab workbook, and you're going to be doing 7.1, 7.2, and 7.3. I just want the answers, and the reasoning for the assignment is to show you how to put things in terminal digit order and how to write the next terminal digit. So again, this has to all do with learning that numerical numbering system. So if you have any questions on this assignment, please send me an email, let me know, and I would be happy to answer you. Have a good week.